Hello, my name is Chuck Eckenberg. I'm talking to you from my home office in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm so excited about the virtual drone class that I attended this morning. And it's just opened my mind about a whole lot of other things that I hadn't even considered. And I've been in business, as you can see, I'm an old guy for a long time. And both Damon and Diego have brought some new ideas and some great concepts, not just about the drone business, but about just business in general. And I would recommend anyone interested in learning about the drone business as well as how they can use the ideas provided in the class for their current business. It's a no-brainer. Currently, I sell business cards, digital business cards, to realtors and real estate brokers, car dealerships, and I felt that the command drone business would give me another product to sell to my existing client base. So that's that's my that's my feeling about how I'm going to use the business, and looking forward to continued um, classes, and it's well worth the time and energy.